Hi everyone, welcome back. So this was the one chart that we had prepared and seen in some of the earlier tutorials. Let us now move and make a chart out of some different data. So I had just told you in the first tutorial, I had just done some calculations with respect to COUNTIF function to know the number of males and females in the XYZ company. So there are 11 males and 8 females. So let's try to make a graph out of this. So first thing that we'll have to do is link this data, correct? So let's come to sheet 2. Let's scroll down where we want to make the chart and you will start by linking the data. So the first step will be include a equal to sign. Go to sheet 1, select male, click your mouse on the cell in which male is written and click on enter. Clicking on enter is very important. I'll just tell you why is it important in some time. So once you click on enter, your proper cell is linked. Sheet 1 is linked and from sheet 1 cell C35 is linked. So now what we are going to do is just drag down. So dragging downward and dragging sideways will fill our entire data for us. Okay, so now we have properly linked the data. Let's see what mistakes people can do and then the data is not properly linked. What they usually do is they just click on equal to sign, go to sheet 1, select the data and they do not press enter. Okay, so what happens if you do not press enter? You directly come to sheet 2 without pressing enter. And can you see now sheet 2 link random cell is now linked. You have to click on enter. Okay, so I'll show you again what mistake is there. You input equal to sign, come to sheet 1, select the data, but you just directly come to sheet 2 without pressing enter. So then the cell is not properly linked. So be careful, do not make this mistake. You have to press on enter. So for now this data, there are various charts that you can prepare. If you go to insert, you can insert a column chart that we have seen. There are 2D columns, there are 3D columns. There is something new called a tree map, which is not useful in this case. Let's come to waterfall type of charts. Again, not useful in this specific case. You can include a scatter chart. Okay, a line chart is again present over here. Okay, there are 3D lines. If I click on 3D lines, this is how it will look. Okay, so let's click on Control Z, select the data again. Let's come to scatter chart. I'll click on more scatter charts. So you can see there are various data or the charts which are present which you can use. Okay, so for bar chart also you can see there are 3D charts which are present. Your chart will look like this. Various options of chart are present. But now in this tutorial what we are going to do is we are going to make use of pie chart, which absolutely fits our requirement for the males and females employees. So I'm clicking on pie chart from here. I'll just click on OK. So if you want to select this type of pie chart, you can click on that and click on OK. Okay, so can you see a pie chart is now made a circle chart? And if I just click on bring my mouse on the green area, you can see all the information. This particular area is for female employees. There are 8 female employees, which comprises of 42% of the population of XYZ company. So 8 female employees, data is correct. If you bring your mouse on the red area, you can see it's for male employees. The number is 11 and it comprises of 58% of the employees of XYZ company. Okay, so first thing that we will do something with respect to this is make the chart title proper. So I am making it as males and female employees. I'll just make it male and female employees. Okay, you can increase or decrease the chart title. You can color it differently. So these are the male and female employees. If I click on the plus sign, I'll just click on data labels. So the number of employees will be visible. You can make it at the center, at the inside end, outside end, best fit, or you can use the option for data call out as well. I'll just keep it as outside end. Now legends was something which we were not aware in the earlier chart. It was not absolutely clear. So I'll just tell you what legend is. If I click on legend, you can see male, female. So the series is now visible properly and the legend can be at the top, at the left, at the bottom. Okay, so let's keep it at the bottom. So legend is also now done. And now what you can do is you can use different designs for your chart. Like this is one of the design, then this is the design. You can use any design which you want to for your chart. So we are keeping it a simple one. And if you think that I do not want a pie chart, but you have already made a pie chart, no worry, you can just go to insert and you can just change the chart. What you need to do is only select this and go to insert and change any chart that you want. You can make a 3D chart, 2D bar chart, so any chart which you like you can make. So this is how you prepare a pie chart, wherein you are specifically displaying the number of employees in the company. You can edit the chart as per your requirements.